In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how I built the frame of a ship model. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you pop out any laser cut parts, it's a great idea to copy all the part numbers directly onto the wood pieces. Trust me, this little step can save you a tons of frustration when it's time to assemble everything. When removing the laser parts, I like to use a hobby knife. Once the pieces are out, I grab a small piece of 100 grit sandpaper and gently sand away any imperfections or rough edges. This helps the parts fit snugly when it's time to put them together. For gluing the wooden parts, I rely on Lapage Express Wood Glue. It's strong and dries faster than regular wood glue, which is a big plus. To apply the glue evenly, I use a small brush to coat the surfaces that need bonding. For the keel, I make sure it let it dry overnight on a flat surface with some weight on top. This ensures a straight and sturdy keel, which is crucial for the rest of the build. Next, it's time to assemble the bulkheads. To ensure they're perfectly square to the keel, I use Lego blocks as a support. It's a fun and effective trick. After all, a Danish problem deserves a Danish solution. Take your time with this step. Getting the bulkheads perfectly perpendicular to the keel is essential for achieving a symmetrical and good-looking hull later on. According to the building boat's instructions, you can construct the ship's hull in two halves and then glue them together. Personally, I have always found it's tricky to perfectly align and bind the two halves, so I prefer to build the hull as a single unit. But hey, there's no right or wrong here. Both methods works just fine. Now mistakes happen, and if you ever need to remove a piece, don't worry. Just grab a hairdryer. The heat softens the glue, making it much easier to detach the part without damaging it. And that's it for today's tips. In the next video, we will tackle decking and planking. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.